Good morning to all my dear children. In today's EVS class, we are going to see the book back exercise of lesson number 10. Already last class we revised lesson number 10, transport, isn't it? So now we are going to see the book back exercise. We are going to revise this and we are going to see the additional some extra question and answers. Okay. So now we'll see the book back exercise. Fill in the blanks with words from the help box. Fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. This is the help box. Some words are given, right? Just see: ship, train, bus, aeroplane, boat. So now ship, train, bus, aeroplane, boat. Now let's move on to the first question. People go by dash or dash when they travel to another town or city. So people go by, how they'll go if they want to travel to another town or city? Either by, just see the help box, bus or train. So people go by bus or train when they want to travel, when they travel to another town or city. If they want to travel to another town or city, they'll go either by bus or train. Second one, people travel by sea on a, people travel by sea on a, how they will travel by sea? By which means of transport? Ship. They'll go by ship. People travel by sea on a ship. So ship. S-H-I-P, ship. People travel by sea on a ship. Third one, on a river, people travel by, how they will travel on a river? On a river, people travel by, so boat. B-O-A-T, boat. On a river, people travel by boat. So fourth one, when we want to reach a distant place quickly, we travel by. When we want to reach a distant place quickly, we travel by. How do we travel? If you want to travel to a place quickly, how do we? So which transport will opt for? Yes, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. When we want to reach a distant place quickly, we travel by aeroplane. So first one is people go by bus or train when they travel to another town or city. People travel by sea on a ship. On a river, people travel by boat. When we want to reach distant place quickly, we travel by aeroplane. So next we'll move on to the next one. Already this we have done, right? So look at the pictures and complete the table. One has been done for you. Already we have done this, right? Just now look at the pictures and you're going to write the answers. Now we have car, bicycle, aeroplane, helicopter, scooter, ship, and we have auto rickshaw, bus, boat. So now move on land. Now just tell me which vehicle moves on land. See this and tell me which vehicle moves on land. So you will write by yourself, right? So no need to write. So car, then scooter. So you are going to write this. So car. If you have already done, no need, just have a glance of it. So which vehicle moves on land? Car, C-A-R, car, scooter, then auto rickshaw, and bus also, right? So these four vehicles moves on land. Next, sail on water. Now tell me which vehicles sails on water. See this and tell me. So, yes, ship. ship, then boat. Sail on water, ship, boat. Fly in the air. Third one, fly in the air. So which one flies in the air? Aeroplane, helicopter. Aeroplane, helicopter. So which vehicle moves on land? Car, scooter, then auto rickshaw, bus. So sail on water, ship and boat. Fly in the air, aeroplane, helicopter. Next, cross the odd one out. So we are going to cross the odd one out. First I'll read out which one. See, out of 4, one is odd in that we are going to cross. So first one, car, boat, train, tractor. Car, boat, train, tractor. Now tell me the answer. Which one is odd in this? Yes, boat. All the other 3 vehicles moves on land, right? So boat. Car, boat, train, tractor. So boat is the odd one. So cross that. Second one, cycle, scooter, bus, motorcycle. Now which one is odd in this? Yes, bus. Because all the other vehicles are having only 2 wheels, right? Cycle, scooter, motorcycle. So bus is the odd one. Third one, bullock cart, camel cart, tonga, truck. Now tell me out of these 4, which one is the odd one? Bullock cart, camel cart, tonga, truck. Truck is the odd one, as other 3, these are driven by the animals, isn't it? So bullock cart, camel cart and tonga, these are driven by the animals. So truck is the odd one out. Fourth one, car, bus, train, ship. Car, bus, train, ship. Now tell me which one is the odd one in this? It's easy, right? So ship. So car, bus, train moves on land. Ship, it sails on water. So now we'll see some extra questions. No need to write anything. Just have a look at this. It will be easy for your exams. Okay. No need to write. Answer the following. Name the different means of transport. Name the different means of transport. So we saw different means of transport. What are the different means of transport? Bicycle, rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships are different means of transport. Name the different means of transport. You can say if they are asking name any 4 means of transport. So you can say any 4 also. So name the different means of transport. What are the different means of transport? Bicycle, rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships are different means of transport. So we have different means of transport, right? The second question is, what is called a tonga? Second question is, what is called as tonga? A horse-driven cart, that we call it as tonga, right? What is called as tonga? A horse-driven cart is called a tonga. A horse-driven cart is called a tonga. So you know what is, have you seen tonga before? Yes. Which animal will pull that? Horse. That horse-driven cart, what do we call it as? Tonga. A horse-driven cart is called a tonga. Third one, why do we use different means of transport? Why do we use different means of transport? So for what purpose we are using these kind of transport? We use different means of transport to travel from one place to another place, right? So why we are using different means of transport? We saw different means of transport, right? Car, bike, motorcycle, scooter, train, aeroplanes. Then why we are using these means of transport? To travel from one place to another, isn't it? We use different means of transport to travel from one place to another. So why we use different means of transport? Is to travel from one place to another place. We use different means of transport to travel from one place to another. So fourth question, how do we choose the way we travel? How do we choose the way we travel? Now tell me how will, whether if you want to go to some other state, which transport you will opt for? Yes, which vehicle you will choose? It depends upon the time and distance, isn't it? If it is long distance, some they'll go by. So it depends upon the distance. And if you want to reach a place quickly, we will use some other vehicle. So if it is nearby, we use some vehicle. If it is far away distance, so it depends upon the distance and time and money also, right? So some vehicle transports, it is very costly, expensive, right? So it also depends upon the distance, time and money. So how do we choose the way we travel? How do we choose the way we travel? We choose the way we travel after considering the distance, time and money. We choose the way we travel after considering the distance. First we'll see the distance, right? Then time and money. So how do we choose the way we travel? We choose the way we travel after considering the distance, time and money. Next. Write the purpose for which the following are used for. So write the purpose for which the following are used for. So for which purpose these vehicles are used, that we are going to list out. No need to write, just have a glance of all these things. So rickshaws, bus, car and scooter. So what purpose we use these vehicles? Rickshaws, bus, car, scooter. Used by students to go to school. We have so many purposes, right? So now we are going to write only one. So used by students to go to school. So if you want to go to school, some either they'll go by rickshaw, some they'll go by bus, some they'll go by car and scooter, isn't it? So rickshaws, bus, car and scooter used by students to go to school. We have so many purposes, just write only one. So used by students to go to school. Second one, buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes. Buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes. What for we use? Used by people to travel to another city or town. Buses, cars and trains used by people to travel to another city or town. If they want to travel to another city or town, what they'll use? They can use any one of these vehicles, right? Bus, car and train. So just aeroplane will not come. So buses, cars and trains used by people to travel to another city or town. Third one, bullocks, camels, horses. Bullocks, camels, horses. What is the purpose of these animals? These animals are used to pull the carts. So these animals are used to pull carts. Third one, bullocks, camels, horses. These animals are used to pull carts. Last one, true or false? No need to write anything, just revise this. Animals are also used to carry goods and people. Now tell me whether the statement is true or false. Animals are also used to carry goods and people. Yes, true, right? So animals are also used, right? Before we use animals to carry goods and people, that is true, right? So animals are also used to carry goods and people. That is true, true. Second one, ships sail on the road. Ships sail on the road. Whether ships sail on the road? Yes. Then where do they sail? Water, right? So ships sail on the road. False. Third one, there are many ways in which we travel from one place to another. There are many ways in which we travel from one place to another. Now tell me whether the statement is true or false. Whether we have only one way to travel from one place to another? No, we have more ways, right? There are many ways in which we travel from one place to another. So the statement is true. So that's all for today's class. Revise well this lesson, children. So it will come for your FA4 exam. So revise well this lesson. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.